everyone, welcome to Statistician Hub. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a new variable in Stata using gen command. For this purpose, we need to type a syntax or a command, and it is gen, or we can write generate as well, but in short we can type gen. It will work similarly. So we first type gen, then give space, then type the name of the new variable we are going to create, then again give space, then put equal sign, then again give space, and then write the condition, that is the expression or formula that defines the new variable we are going to create. For practical use, I am going to use this particular data set, which is about area in hectare under 8 selected fruits cultivation in Assam. Now, let's start with an example. We are interested to convert area under banana cultivation to a binary variable banana1. That is, banana is the original variable which is about the area in hectare under banana cultivation in Assam. And from this, we are going to create a new variable which is binary in nature, and the name of the new variable is banana1. Now, this new variable banana1 will take 1 if area under banana cultivation is greater than 50,000 hectare, or if it is less than 50,000 hectare, then the banana1 will take 0. For this purpose, we need to type first gen, then space, then name of the new variable banana1, then space, equal sign, space. Now select the old variable banana and then put the condition that is greater than 50,000. And then if we click the enter, it will automatically create a new variable banana, which is a binary variable in nature. Similarly, we can create several other binary variables by putting different types of conditions. Like our original variable is orange, that is, it takes the value area in hectare under orange cultivation in Assam. From this original orange variable, we need to convert a new variable orange1, which is binary variable. Now, the condition is the orange variable, if it is greater than 7,000 and less than 11,000, then the new variable orange1 will take 1. That is, orange1 will take 1 if the area under orange cultivation lies between 7,000 to 11,000, or 0 otherwise. And for this purpose, we need to type generate space, name of the new variable which is orange1, space, equal sign, then space, then select the old variable orange, put greater than 7,000, then space, then type ampersand, that particular sign, then again give space, then again select the old variable orange and put the condition less than 11,000. So, if we click enter, then it will create automatically a new variable orange1, where it will take 1 if the area under orange cultivation lies between 7,000 to 11,000, or 0 otherwise. Now, Another variable, binary variable, mango1, we can create, but here the condition is area under mango cultivation will be exactly equal to 4,400 hectare. Okay, now for this purpose, type gen, then give space, name of the new variable mango1, then give space, equal sign, give space, select the old variable mango, which is about area under mango cultivation. Now when we need to put exact equal to a particular value, here in condition we need to use two equal sign, two times, twice. So we put twice equal sign and then 4,400. And if we click enter, it will automatically create a binary variable mango1, where 1 stands for mango cultivation area is exactly equal to 4,400 hectare, and it will take 0 otherwise. Similarly, pineapple1 is also a binary variable, a new binary variable which is created from the original variable pineapple, which is about area in hectare under pineapple cultivation. Here the binary variable pineapple1 will take 1 if the area under pineapple cultivation is greater than or equal to 16,000 hectare, or 0 otherwise. 0 otherwise. Okay, so for this purpose we need to type generate space, name of the new variable pineapple1, space, equal sign, space, select the old variable pineapple. Now already I have told you to define the exact value we need to use equal sign twice. So for exactly equal to 16,000 we need to type twice equal sign, then 16,000 space, ampersand sign, space, again select the old variable pineapple, and the another condition is greater than 16,000. So if we click enter, then it will create automatically a new variable pineapple1, which is again a binary variable. It will take 1 if the area under pineapple cultivation is 60,000 hectare or greater, or if it is less than 16,000 hectare, it will take 0. So in this way, using various types of conditions, by putting various conditions, we can convert a variable to a binary variable. Now, instead of putting condition, we can create a variable by using formula as well. For example, creating a new variable using formula. So, suppose we need to create a variable which takes the sum total of area under all these selected 8 fruits. So we have all these selected 8 fruits, okay, and we need to create a variable and we name it as total, okay, total, which will is nothing but the sum total of area under these 8 fruits. So for this purpose, we again type generate, give space, and we give the name of the new variable as total, again space, equal sign, space, then we use a bracket, okay, then we select all these old variables, original variables, and in between we put the plus sign, banana plus mango plus orange plus guava plus pineapple plus jackfruit plus lychee plus papaya. So we add all these 8 fruits, all these 8 original variables to create a sum total of the area, which is a new variable. And if we click enter, automatically it will create a new variable named as total, which is nothing but the sum total of area under all these 8 fruits. Now suppose we need to calculate the average area under all these 8 fruits. So for this purpose, we again type generate, then space, name the new variable suppose as average, again space, equal sign, space, start a bracket, select all these old variables, means all these 8 fruits, and put plus sign in between them like banana plus mango plus orange and so on. Close the bracket, divided by 8. Since we are taking average and there are 8 fruits, so we divided the total by 8. And if we have already the total, then directly we divide it by 8 as well. Or if we do not have the total, so we can put a formula which create a total divided by 8. So in this way we can create another variable which is named as average, which is nothing but the average of area under these 8 fruits. Now suppose we need the deviation, the difference between the total area and the average area under these 8 fruits. So we have total already created and we have average variable already created. Now for deviation between them, we again use formula, and for this purpose we again type generate, space, name the new variable as deviation. You can name another variable, you can use another name as well in place of deviation. It is your wish. Then again give space, then equal sign, give space, then select the total, use minus sign, then select the average. It will create automatically a new variable deviation, which is nothing but the difference between total area and the average area under these 8 fruits cultivation. So now let's move to the Stata and see how these commands are working. So here I have opened the Stata software. Now go to this particular option, data editor. See here, select this. So here it is the data set. I have already copied and pasted from Excel the same data set about the area in hectare under 8 fruits cultivation in Assam. The same data set I have already copied it here. Okay. The same data set you can import also. See, go to file, go to import, and then your file type, the original file data type. Okay, file type, and select the file type and import it. You can do it in this way also. Data can be imported in the software in this way also. But I have copied and pasted directly to the data sheet of the Stata. Okay, so my data is ready. I have imported already in the software, and see in the right hand side all the original variable has been appeared here. Okay, now let's do these examples that I have discussed earlier here practically. Okay, so first we create a new variable banana1 from the original variable banana, and banana1 will take 1 if it is greater than 50,000 or 0 if it is less than 50,000. For that we need to type first gen. You can type generate as well, so in short it is gen. Okay, then type the name of the new variable banana1, give space, equal, give space. Now the condition is the original variable is greater than 50,000. So see, automatically the new variable banana1 is already created. Now go to the data editor or the data sheet of the Stata. Okay, see here. See. See, banana 1. Okay, so it takes 1 if the value of the banana here is greater than 50,000 or 0 if it is less than 50,000. Similarly, we create another variable, okay, orange 1. So for this purpose, type gen, then give space, name the new variable, orange 1, give space, equal sign, put condition. Condition is the original variable orange should be lies between 7,000 to 11,000. That is orange either greater than 7,000 or less than 11,000. For this purpose, give space. Now use ampersand sign, again space, again select the original one and give less than 11,000. 11,000. So put enter. Okay, see here, new variable orange 1. Go to the data editor. See, orange 1 is already created. It takes 1 if the value lies between 7,000 to 11,000 or else it is 0. Now, we create another variable mango 1. So, generate space mango 1 space equal sign. Now, space, give the condition. Okay, the condition is the original variable mango will exactly take 4,400. Okay, so already I told you if you need to define something exactly equal to a value, so you need to give 2 equal sign. Okay, so mango double equal sign 4,400. Enter. So new variable, it is created mango 1. It will take 1 if the old one original mango takes 4,400. So go to data editor, see. Mango 1 takes here 1. See, and it is corresponding to mango 4,400. So here we have only one value 4,400. So here only one we have. Okay, and all other remaining values take 0 because it is not exactly equal to 4,400. Now, again, another variable pineapple 1 we are going to create. For this, generate space pineapple 1 space equal. Now the condition. Condition is pineapple. Okay, see the old one, pineapple either exactly equal to 16,000 or greater than 16,000. So, first we type exactly equal to, that is double equal sign, 16,000 space, again ampersand sign, space, again select pineapple greater than 16,000. Means we need to break the condition. Okay. So, equal to or greater than, we cannot do it all together. We need to break the condition by using this ampersand sign. So, first we write pineapple exactly equal to 16,000 and pineapple greater than 16,000. And the new variable is pineapple 1. Okay, put enter. So, see here pineapple 1 already generated. Go to data editor, check. See, pineapple 1 means every value is 0, means here there is no value which is exactly equal to or greater than 16,000. So, all the value takes 0 here. Okay, if the condition is satisfied, then it will automatically take 1. Okay, so in this way we can create binary data, a new binary data from the original data. Okay, now let's see how to use formula to create a new variable. So, suppose we want to need a variable which is named total, okay, which is nothing but the sum total of all the areas of this 8 fruits, okay. So see, first we type again, since we need to create a new variable, we need to type gen space, name the new variable as total, suppose, okay, give space, equal, now the condition is we need to sum all these 8 fruits. So start a bracket, now select the old variables one by one, banana, then since we need to add plus sign, then mango plus sign, orange plus sign, guava plus sign, pineapple plus sign, jackfruit plus sign, lychee plus sign, and then papaya lastly, and stop. Close the bracket and enter. So total is, see, the name variable total already created. Go to the data set, data editor, see the new variable total. It is nothing but the sum total of the area of these 8 fruits. So here it is the total. Okay. Now we need to create a variable named average, which is nothing but the average area under these 8 fruits. So since we already created the total, okay, and here we are using 8 fruits, so total divided by 8, it will take the average area, sorry, it will give the average area. So first create type generate space, name the variable as average, space, equal sign, space, select the old variable which is total, okay, and since it is average, divided by 8. See here, average is already created. Go to the data editor, data sheet, see average. So it is the average area under these 8 fruits. Okay, new variable created already. Okay, or you can directly, if suppose you have not calculated total, you can directly write this formula, all these, add this, all these 8 fruits and divided by 8. Suppose we are going to create another variable, suppose generate, and we now write average 1. Since already we have created average, we cannot use the same name for 2 variables. Okay, so average we give it as 1, so it will create a difference. So equal sign. Now suppose we do the same. Okay, we here directly sum totally, copy and paste it here. Okay, so here first we have add up, then divided by 8. So suppose we have not calculated the total earlier, so we can directly put the total formula and divided by 8. It will also give the average as well. So see average 1. Okay, so either we can divide it total by 8, or if we do not calculate the total, then we directly calculate the total and divide by 8. It will also give the average. Okay, so see here average and average 1. It gives the same values but using different formula. That's all. Okay. Now lastly, suppose we want the deviation between the total and the average area of these 8 fruits. So create a new variable, gen space, name the new variable as suppose deviation, give space, equal signs. Now the condition is total minus average, we need the deviation. Okay, the total minus sign average. See, deviation is already created. So if we go to the data editor, data sheet, okay, so see here the deviation is created. It is nothing but it is difference between total and the average. Okay, so here is the deviation. So in this way we can generate a new variable, putting condition, or outputting formula. Hope this video will help you in your research work or while you are using the Stata. Thank you.